This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Maxon Acorgi. Price to lease now. One of the few rentals with a pool in the area, this home is designed to beat the competition, with free pool maintenance, so you don't have to worry about pool cleanings. The landlord is motivated, so act fast and don't miss this opportunity. Our easy, hassle-free leasing process makes the application process a breeze. Inside this you have a spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath home featuring a modern open-concept design with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of natural light throughout. The primary suite offers privacy and comfort with an attached bathroom and a sliding glass door that leads directly to the screened-in pool area, your very own backyard oasis. Enjoy peaceful evenings poolside, all within the security of a full-screen enclosure. Plus, this property is located in a no-flood zone, giving you added peace of mind during those pesky hurricane seasons. The spacious layout offers plenty of room for comfortable living, and the highlight is the open space living room with stunning view of the sparkling screened-in pool. Enjoy peaceful evenings in your backyard oasis without the pain of chlorine pool cleanings. This friendly community offers a tranquil lifestyle while still keeping you close to the action. Whether you're swimming or connecting with neighbors, this home is ready for your best move yet. Ready to take the next step? Apply today and schedule a tour. For more information, review the